guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, which is Little Aradhya, and I'm back with another video. So yes, in today's video we are going to know how to share a project on GitHub or to your teacher if you are doing White Hat Junior or you want to publish it in GitHub. So it's very easy. It's very easy. So I'm going to make a video on it. So first we'll search GitHub. Here is this. First you have to sign in. I'm already signed in, so I don't have to do it again and again. Okay, so yeah, so here you can see I am signed in, so I have this dashboard. And here, I'm going to share a project. Okay, I'm going to share a project or publish a project, you can say that. So you'll have to click on the new button here, the left corner, new. After clicking on, we have to make a repository. Create a new repository means the project name. Okay, the project name. So it is origami. My project name is origami. Okay, it is origami. And you don't have to give a description, it's optional. Everything is optional right here. Just have to go scroll down. Let me just scroll down and create and click on create repository. After doing that, you will have this get you'll have this uploading an existing file in the blue ink. Just click on it. Okay, now you have to drag your files. Okay, drag your files so you can share it to the people. So I'm going to just open. So you have to share it one by one. That's the issue with it. One by one you have to share it, but it's okay. Okay, we have it index, then I have to share two more. And guys, it's very easy. GitHub, sharing any project, publishing any project is very easy on GitHub. So I hope you understand by this video. You have to share all the files in one project, like in one file. You have in one folder you have you have to have 10 files. You have to share it one by one. So that's the issue, but it's okay sometimes. Now I have to scroll down and click on commit changes, processing your files. So this is done. So you'll just click on the setting button. Then you'll go down at the end of this page, and then you will click on this check it out here button, and you have this none source. What is the source? It's not none, it's the main. Okay, so we have this main root save. You just click on save, and right here you have published your own project or your own file, or you wanted to share anything else. Okay, so you can see it's published to the people, it's published to the teacher if you want to. So it's very easy, it's very damn easy. I hope you understand. And one more thing, if you click on this right now on this project, oh sorry, on this link, if you click on this, it will say 404 error. Why? It takes 15 to 20 minutes time to basically make a website. Okay, it takes 20 to 50 time to load. It's completely fine, it's not a big deal. If your laptop is very like low or not that heavy, or takes or it's lagged or something like that, it will take 40 minutes time for you. But if your laptop is very nice and very heavy laptop and good, so it will take only to 15 to 20 minutes. I hope you understand by this video how to share a project to your teacher or to the people in GitHub. I hope you like today's video. If you do, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Little Radha. So this is Little Radha signing off.